guys, Brian here with Thumper Fab. Today I'm going to walk you through installing our grab handle on your Polaris Xpedition. For your first step, you'll grab the powder coated part of our grab handle and you'll use a marker. Here you can see the OEM hole in the roll cage located on the A-pillar. We'll line this hole up with our bottom hole and transfer our top hole to the roll cage so that we can drill it out in preparation for mounting. With our lower hole lined up, I'll go ahead and mark our top hole. We'll go ahead and drill this out with our pilot bit. Just a reminder, when you're drilling your holes to prepare to be able to mount your sheet metal bracket, you want to make sure that you don't drill further into the roll cage than necessary. Depending on what aftermarket accessories you may have, there could be light bar wiring or other accessory wiring hidden inside that A-pillar. If you're having trouble with the drill bit walking around, getting off your center mark, you can use a center punch to go ahead and start the center point for your drill bit. You may want to do it a couple times. Once we have that started, our pilot bit should stay centered on our hole. We can go ahead and get that drilled out. With our pilot holes drilled, I'll step up in increments all the way up to our 17/32 drill bit so that we can install our rib nuts in the A-pillar. With our holes drilled to our 17/32 hole, I'll now use our M8 rib nut install tool located in the hardware kit. You'll slide this section, the yellow section, into the frame, hold the black section with a 9/16 wrench, and tighten the bolt using a 13mm socket. This will compress the rib nut on the inside of the roll cage and provide a nice threaded hole for our grab handle to mount to. You want to be sure when you're installing your rib nuts into the roll cage that they sit fully flush before you use the install tool. With our rib nuts in place, we'll now fasten our grab handle mount using the M8 button head screws located in the hardware kit. Just a reminder, when you're fastening your grab handle into the rib nuts, you want to be careful not to over tighten as you can strip the rib nuts out. For the next step, we'll go ahead and install our billet insert. You want to push it all the way to the top corner and then you can pivot it in place. Now we can use our 1/4" button head screws to fasten it to our sheet metal bracket. We'll go ahead and get this tightened up with our Allen wrench. When you're tightening your button head screws, you'll want to remember that they're threading into aluminum and there's no need to over tighten them. If you'd like to install an additional grab handle on the passenger side, the installation process is identical. You'll line up the hole that's already shown here that comes from the factory with the bottom hole of the grab handle. Mark your top hole, drill them both out to a 17/32 and install our rib nuts. Then we'll be able to fasten our grab handle bracket and billet grab handle assembly to the vehicle. With our fasteners tight, you're ready to hit the trails and enjoy your new Thumper Fab grab handle in your Polaris Xpedition.